look, we have some blocks. Yeah, shall we see how many blocks we have? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 blocks. Whoa! Oh, JP, where are you going with those blocks? We gotta remember to share and take turns too. Yeah, because taking turns means that everybody can get a chance. This is how it looks like. 1 block for me, 1 block for you. Do you want to give it a try? Okay, 1 block for me, 1 block for you. Well done. What if now we can sort? Yeah, let's sort it by color. Oh, what about red goes with red and blue goes with blue? Let's sort by colors. Yeah, so where would the red block go? Right, with the red group. What about the blue block? Where should it go? Right, with the blue group. That's right. Now, sorting is a wonderful thing because it helps our brain notice patterns, colors, and groups too. Well done, you sorted. Now, before we go to our song, let's make sure our breathing and our bodies are ready. So remember, pretend to breathe in as like you're smelling a flower and breathe out like you're blowing out a candle. Now we're ready. Come on. All right. So this song is a really, really fun one. It goes a little like this. B is for banana. Banana. Shall we try it together? Okay. B is for banana. Banana. B is for bread. Bread. B is for blueberry. Blueberry. Great to go. That was a great letter B song.